Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Firestone Shard in inventory, level 10 or higher, and basic healing. Head straight to the nearest town waypoint and open the world map to mark the Wilds entrance. Once done, fast travel if possible to save time, otherwise run the shortest route along the West Road. Make sure to equip a torch and one ranged skill to pull isolated enemies. This gets you on the map and ready for the first gate checkpoint without delay. You approach the Wilds by following the West Ridge path toward the broken bridge landmark, keeping right to avoid dense patrols. Use ranged pulls to isolate single enemies or sneak past groups to conserve resources. This prevents being overwhelmed before the altar. Once you reach the stone altar, stand in the interaction zone and use the Firestone Shard. The altar will animate and spawn the target. Make sure to finish any summoned threats quickly, so you can pick. You finalize by looting the altar reward and confirming Firestone Mh Wilds is in your inventory. Equip or store it as needed. If the Firestone does not appear, first clear any hidden mobs within 30 meters and try the interaction again, because blocked spawns are common. If that fails, relog or exit the area and re-enter after about 60 seconds to reset the spawn. Make sure to keep one healing item in case a final patrol hits you while looting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.